Ready to glow without any makeup? Let's talk about how to get that clear, radiant look naturally. Whether you're heading to school, meeting friends, or just want to look fresh every day, these easy tips will make sure your face card never declines. From clear skin and soft lips to shiny hair and confident vibes, here's everything you need to look effortlessly flawless. Let's get started. Number 1. Clear and glowing skin. Clear, radiant skin is the base for your fresh look. Cleanse your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Use a hydrating toner to balance your skin's pH and prep it for the next steps. Apply a serum that targets your skin concerns, brightening, hydration, or anti-aging. A vitamin C serum can help fade dark spots and add glow. Moisturize based on your skin type. Choose a gel-based moisturizer for oily skin and a rich one for dry skin. And never skip sunscreen during the day to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Healthy, glowing skin is the secret to a flawless vibe. Number 2. Hydration is key. Hydration is everything when you want that dewy, plump skin. Drink plenty of water. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to keep your skin fresh and vibrant. Add water-rich foods like cucumber, watermelon, and oranges to your diet. Keep a facial mist handy to refresh your skin throughout the day, especially if you're in dry or air-conditioned places. And at night, use a sleeping mask for an extra boost of hydration while you sleep. Number 3. Flawless eyebrows. Eyebrows frame your face and can make or break your look. Keep them natural but polished. Find your perfect brow shape. Straight, arched, or in between. And stick to your natural brow line. Tweeze stray hairs carefully, but don't overdo it. Brush them up with a clear brow gel or a tinted mascara to fill any sparse areas and keep them looking full and lifted. Number 4. Soft, luscious lips. Soft, naturally pink lips always look fresh and youthful. Exfoliate your lips once or twice a week with a gentle scrub to remove dead skin. Apply a hydrating lip balm or lip mask to keep them soft and plump. If you want a little color, choose a tinted lip balm for a natural pop. No lipstick needed. Number 5. Bright, fresh eyes. Bright, youthful eyes complete your fresh look. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep to avoid dark circles and puffiness. In the morning, use cold spoons or chilled eye patches to reduce puffiness. Curl your lashes to open up your eyes and use a clear mascara for a natural, defined look. Number 6. Healthy, shiny hair. Healthy, glossy hair pulls the whole look together. Use a nourishing shampoo and conditioner that suits your hair type. Treat your hair once a week with a deep conditioning mask or oil treatment for extra softness and shine. Avoid too much heat styling, but if you do use heat tools, always apply a heat protectant. For styling, keep it simple. Whether you like it straight and sleek or soft and wavy, healthy hair is the goal. Number 7. Body care and healthy habits. Remember, you don't have to look perfect to glow. A lot of people keep fit with dance workouts or Pilates. They're fun and help tone your body without stress. Dance to your favorite songs or try a quick Pilates routine at home. Focus on a balanced diet with healthy, nourishing foods. No need for extreme diets. Your skin, hair, and energy will thank you. Number 8. Simple, cute outfits. To complete the look, keep your style clean and comfy. Go for minimalist outfits like high-waisted jeans, simple tees, or pastel tops. Add layers with lightweight jackets, vests, or oversized cardigans for a chill vibe. Accessorize with delicate jewelry, simple necklaces, stackable rings, and finish with trendy shoes like chunky sneakers, platform shoes, or cute ankle boots. Final tips: smile with confidence, Nothing makes you shine more than good energy. Eat healthy, drink lots of water, and practice good posture to look polished and poised. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to get that fresh, flawless look naturally, and make sure your face card never declines. If you loved these tips, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more glow up secrets. Until next time, stay glowing and confident.